Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can download and install TurboTax with license code. So you're going to search up TurboTax and you're going to open up this link. Now once you open up this link, these are all the TurboTax versions you'll see, and you can download the TurboTax version you want to use. You'll just simply press on the TurboTax version and then you're going to choose if you want to download in Windows or Mac. And once you press where you want to download it, the download will start and then you will wait for the download to complete. Now once you've installed TurboTax, this is what you're going to see. The Intuit TurboTax license agreement. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go through this. You'll press on I accept the terms of the license agreement and then you're going to go on next. Now once you do that, you'll choose the install location. You'll just read all of this and then you will press on install. And now you can see this, it will be installing, and you need to see that after you install it, you need to have your license code ready as well, which should be with you, and then you will follow the steps to install and activate your software. So these are the steps that I've shown you right here. Now you'll just wait for this to complete its installation. Now once it's installed, this is what you'll see, and now you will press on launch TurboTax. You're going to press on launch TurboTax. And now you can see that it's going to start its launching process, and you'll just wait for it to launch. And as you can see now, TurboTax has been launched. So now what you're going to do is you're going to sign into your account if you already have one. If you don't have an account, you will go to create an account and you will create an account. And after you've done that, you will enter your license code to activate your product. And your license code is different from your password. This license code should of course already be with you if you have TurboTax, and this license code should already be with you, which you'll use and which you'll enter. And after you do that, you will be able to use TurboTax. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.